Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Dragon Quest 1 and 2 HD-2D remake game crashing, lagging, not launching, not loading, black screen, freezing or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller. Now select quit. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings, then select device and connections. Now click on Blu-ray. Here select persistent storage, then select clear persistent storage. Next solution is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu. Now select settings, then choose network settings, then test network connection and wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. Next method is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next method is to check for Dragon Quest 1 and 2 HD-2D remake update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So you are suggested to check if any update is available, and after updating the game, check if the issue is fixed. Next method is to clear cache of Dragon Quest 1 and 2 HD-2D remake. For that, press Xbox guide. Now click on My Games and Apps, then tap on See All. Here search for Dragon Quest 1 and 2 HD-2D remake. Then press Menu. Now choose Manage Game and Add-ons. Then tap on Save Data. Click on Reserved Space and finally tap on Clear Reserved Space. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next, go to Account, then click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove. Then select a Remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the problem is resolved. Next solution is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox, then choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the updating process. Once done, check if it helps. Next is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, then go to Profile and System, then click on Settings, and click on System, then click on Storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create some space and then check if this has resolved the problem. If not, next is to reinstall Dragon Quest 1 and 2 HD-2D remake. For that, press Xbox button controller. Now move to My Games and Apps, then select See All option. Here select Dragon Quest 1 and 2 HD-2D remake. Press menu button, then select Uninstall. Now after the game is removed, open Dragon Quest 1 and 2 HD-2D remake official website and download the game and then check if you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Just go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.